Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. So today we have Mr. Guru Saran with us. Hello.
Hello.
So I am from TV Drone Expo and I am here to ask a few questions related to the exhibition and about your company.
Yes.
So firstly, can you please introduce yourself to our audience and also tell us a bit about your company along the way?
Yeah, myself Guru Saran. We are actually a drone manufacturing company. We are a startup. Recently started in 1.5 years before.
All right.
It's
All right. No problem. Okay. So my next question is like what product or services that you're featuring in this year's of Expo in your stand?
Actually, we are now completely onto the autonomous drone feature, which no one is at present trying right now, I think.
Okay.
Like our drones are completely autonomous. They can navigate and take their own decisions. There will be no need of a human intervention and a human to monitor the drone. Maybe there will be one human who will be monitoring multiple drones at a time in a single ground station. He will be just giving a small command to the drone and like multiple drones. Ours is a swarm drone basically. There will be a group of drones working together to complete a specific mission.
All right.
This is our idea and concept.
Good. So you are creating the software for this or you're manufacturing the drone also?
We are actually manufacturing our own drone because ours is an autonomous drone. So we can't just plug and play with the direct drones,
Just give the software. So you're doing both the things.
We have to do the both other things.
All right. So this is something new I haven't seen in the expo as well. So this is something really new. All right now. So coming on to the third question. So this is our third day today. So I want to ask about your experience along the way. How has been the football and what do you think about this year of expo?
Actually, the 3 days of expo, we had learned much more than what we were doing in our lab actually.
Okay.
We were in the lab and we were just ideating this could be the possibility, this could be the possibility. But we have there are so many people we have met today and yesterday, day before yesterday. We got multiple types of inputs and we understood the market, how is the market going and what the market actually needs. We actually were in a well. Now we just climbed the well out.
Like, this is all the expo is all about, so that you can cater to every audience, even from the one who's exploring it, and even to the government sector, and every visitors come along the way. So yeah, I think that's the right point.
Yes.
All right. So now this is my last question. So this year we have had exhibition in Hyderabad, and along this year only we are planning to do in Mumbai, which will be in a much bigger venue. Along with the Fire audience also, we will be having Fire India along the way.
Yes.
So what's your take on that? Are you looking to participate in Mumbai as well?
Yeah, we'll actually try to participate in the Mumbai also, maybe.
Okay.
Because we are in a prototype stage, we are in developing stage. If we have a perfect model, we are going to come to the Mumbai.
We'll be showing a prototype as well in the Mumbai.
Yeah.
Well, I'll surely meet you there. And thank you so much for your